Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can log in to Google Chat. So to do so, first of all, you need to be in the app library and find the Google Chat and open it. As you can see, I've already logged in with my Google account. So if you want to log in, just tap on this upper right corner button over here, this green button, and you can see these other emails, and you can just either add another account and log in with it or use a different account to log in with it. This is basically a Google account, so your accounts have already been made if you've allowed the Google Chat to access your Google mails. So just use any of the mails you want. So guys, that's how you log in to Google Chat using an iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And if you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.